A new year doesn't mean a new wardrobe, so let's raid your closet and find some jeans that need a new life and update your denim. It's fashionable and easy, so let's get started. You'll need a pair of jeans, fancy fabric. You can use brights and textured prints and even home decor material, pins, and a sewing machine. First, measure from the hip just below the knee. Cut the jeans and be sure to save your scraps for later. We'll use these scraps to measure the fabric added to the bottom of your jeans. Fold your fancy fabric in half, lay the denim scraps on top of it, and measure the width based on the width of the knee. And the length can vary depending on how long and wide you want your new pants. Sew the length of the fancy fabric together. Turn inside out and pin right sides together at the knee. Sew around the knee. Pull the fancy fabric right side out and down and away from the denim. And there you have it, updated denim and jeans that look like they walked off the pages of a fashion magazine.